Hello, beautiful, and welcome to this week's guided meditation, all about tuning in to the light within. Begin by finding somewhere quiet and comfortable to sit, and take your time as you settle into your body, your presence. Allow your hands to come to rest on your lap, palms facing up. Gently close down your eyes and relax. Inhale, lengthening your spine up towards the ceiling. And exhale, relaxing your shoulders down your back. Feel rooted through your sit bones and lifted through the crown of your head. And again, inhale, lengthening your spine upwards, lifting the crown of your head. And exhale with a sigh. Relaxing your shoulders down your back and softening. Today's meditation is all about tapping into the enlightened one within you. And by tapping into this energy through your mind, body, and imagination, you tune your frequency to this high and mighty aspect of your being that is within and with you always. So as you sit, I want you to begin to imagine a ball of light located just behind your belly button. This soft golden glowing light is like a warm pool of peace, a loving presence, a vessel of wisdom and support. And as you inhale, feel this energy brightening and expanding within you. As you exhale, imagine it spreading and diffusing throughout your whole body, radiating light and peace to each and every one of your cells. Continue to feel the light becoming brighter and stronger on every inhale, and then diffusing throughout your body, radiating from all of your pores, moving through your bloodstream, filling all your cells on every exhale. Notice it expanding and expressing up through your chest and arms, shining outwards from your palms. Feel it moving down through your legs and pouring from the soles of your feet. Allow this radiant light to move up through your neck and head, radiating from the crown of your head, pouring over your body like a waterfall, and radiating into the atmosphere around you. As you bask in the light of your being, feel how it's alive with a presence, one of love, ease, peacefulness, and lightness. I want you to feel how this presence perceives the world around you. What does it see? What does it know? Feel and notice how this energy of light and peace sees and feels about you, your environment, and your circumstance. What messages does it have for you? Allow a few moments to sit and experience the presence of this light from within. Know that this presence of light, wisdom, and peace is always here for you, and you can tap into its energy and radiance at any time. See if you can infuse this light and perspective into your daily activities, just sensing it within your belly and body as you eat, interact with others, drive your car, and move throughout the world. Just feeling the gentle presence of the light within and knowing it as the truth of who you are, an eternal sunbeam, the light of the world embodied. In deep reverence of your brilliance, Namaste.